Hey YouTube, welcome to JoggerWorks. In this video, we're going to turn this into this, an awesome catch can. So why an olive can? Well, first of all, I love olives. Second of all, it's got smooth sides, unlike your typical can, which has all these ripples in it. When I make a rat rod go-kart, I'll probably use this for the catch can. But for this catch can, I want sleek sides. In addition to the olive can, we're going to use these nipples. To close up the top of this can, we're going to use this piece of scrap sheet metal. It's from the hood of a mid-80s car. It's pretty thick. They don't build them like this anymore. We need some way to get air out of the can. Most people use these little filters, but I think it's a little out of proportion. This looks much better. The filter fits perfectly on the top of this acetone can. We're going to combine all of these parts to make an awesome catch can. Have you subscribed yet? Huh. We got the nipple soldered on, we got the top soldered on, and I know it doesn't look like much right now. I'm going to throw it in the sandblaster and put a coat of paint on it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Wait a minute. You guys already know what it looks like. Painted this thing last night, let dry overnight. I think it looks pretty good, so let's get this thing together. Here it is complete. We're going to put it on the off-road go-kart because once we modify the Predator, it's going to need a new breather system. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the enjoy button. Wait, hold on. Please like and subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, go ahead and check out John Wheels. He's got a lot of neat go-kart stuff. Well, see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, I should probably rate what's in this can before I get in trouble.